Welcome to Cars Trends, your premier source for in-depth automotive insights and the latest trends in the car industry. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that epitomizes the fusion of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 BMW M4. This isn't just a car, it's a testament to BMW's relentless pursuit of driving excellence. Join us as we explore the intricacies of the 2025 BMW M4, a machine that sets new benchmarks in the high-performance coupe segment. The 2025 BMW M4 commands attention with its aggressive and dynamic exterior design. The front fascia features a prominent kidney grille, flanked by new LED headlights with vertically oriented running lamps and turn signals, sharpening the M4's distinctive look. The sculpted hood, with available graphics outlining its contours in black or red, adds to the vehicle's assertive presence. The aerodynamic body lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. At the rear, new taillights utilize laser technology to illuminate glass fiber elements, creating a three-dimensional effect that adds a futuristic touch. The M4 offers a carbon fiber roof panel, contributing to a lower center of gravity, while a steel roof with a power moonroof is now available at no extra charge, providing options to suit individual preferences. Stepping inside the 2025 BMW M4 reveals a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with advanced technology. The centerpiece is the updated iDrive 8.5 system, featuring a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display integrated into a single curved screen. This high-resolution display responds to touch and voice commands, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. For those who prefer traditional controls, the iDrive knob remains, ensuring a personalized user experience. Premium materials, including merino leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, adorn the cabin, exuding an air of sophistication. The M Sport seats offer exceptional support during spirited driving, while available ventilated and heated functions ensure comfort in all climates. Ambient lighting, customizable to suit individual moods, enhances the interior ambiance, making every drive a luxurious experience. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M4 offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base M4 Coupe is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 473 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, delivering an engaging driving experience for purists. The M4 Competition Coupe elevates performance with 503 horsepower, utilizing the same engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing rapid and seamless gear changes. For 2025, the M4 Competition xDrive Coupe receives a boost to 523 horsepower, enhancing its already impressive performance credentials. This model features BMW's advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling in various driving conditions. The M4 Competition xDrive convertible shares this powertrain, offering open-top exhilaration without compromising performance. The 2025 BMW M4 is engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, combining power with precision. The enhanced 523 horsepower engine in the M4 Competition xDrive models propels the coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds, showcasing its impressive acceleration capabilities. The advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction, allowing the M4 to maintain composure even under aggressive driving. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts damping forces, ensuring a balance between comfort and dynamic handling. The M4's precise steering and near-perfect weight distribution contribute to its agility, making it equally adept on winding roads and racetracks. The available M carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping power, enhancing safety and performance during high-speed driving. The 2025 BMW M4 is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance safety, convenience, and connectivity. The updated iDrive 8.5 system offers seamless smartphone integration, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access their favorite apps and media effortlessly. The available Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every journey enjoyable. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and a surround view camera system, providing comprehensive assistance to the driver. The M4 also offers a head-up display, projecting essential driving information onto the windshield within the driver's line of sight, promoting safer and more focused driving. The 2025 BMW M4 seamlessly blends performance with practicality, catering to the needs of modern drivers. The coupe offers a spacious trunk, providing ample cargo capacity for a high-performance vehicle, accommodating luggage or recreational equipment with ease. The rear seats, while optimized for 2 passengers, can be folded to expand cargo space, enhancing versatility. The M4's compact dimensions and responsive handling make it well suited for urban environments, while its high-performance capabilities ensure it excels on open roads and racetracks. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the M4 adapts effortlessly to a variety of lifestyles and demands. Positioned as a high-performance luxury coupe, the 2025 BMW M4 appeals to driving enthusiasts seeking a blend of exhilaration and refinement. Its aggressive design and powerful engine options attract those who desire a vehicle that stands out in both appearance and performance. The availability of a manual transmission in the base model caters to purists who value an engaging driving experience, while the advanced technologies and luxurious interior features appeal to those seeking comfort and convenience. With a starting price of $80,095 for the M4 Coupe, the M4 offers a compelling package in the high-performance segment, delivering exceptional value for its class. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW M4 is a testament to BMW's commitment to delivering the ultimate driving experience. It combines aggressive styling, luxurious interior appointments, and cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance. Whether you're a driving enthusiast seeking thrills or someone who appreciates the finer aspects of automotive engineering, the M4 offers a harmonious blend of both. From its powerful engine options to its advanced infotainment system, the 2025 M4 sets a new standard in the high-performance coupe segment. If this review provided you with valuable insights into the 2025 BMW M4, please hit the like button and share this video to your friends.